Oh yeah, I haven't used this camera in so long. I'm just getting back on YouTube. So much has changed since I last been on YouTube. As videos go by, you will see what I'm talking about. I feel like I changed a lot as a person. I've been through a lot since I've been back, literally. Like, I think it's been 2 years. It's been 2 years. Yeah, it's been 2 years. Today is skincare reset day. This is what I do almost every Sunday. It's very much needed, especially with me. I have acne prone skin. And then I get so annoyed, y'all, because it's like, you can have the best skincare ever. Then boom, you get a pimple on your face out of nowhere. It's annoying, but you know, it's probably due to like things you eat and you know, all that other stuff. I don't know, you touch your face by accident without washing them. Or that's why I hate when people touch my face. Like, somebody could be like, and I'll be like, and they'll look at me crazy, but it's like, baby, it's nothing against you. I have sensitive skin. Do not touch it, please. Like, I've been working hard on it. Don't touch it. So I'm gonna give you guys a Sunday skincare reset on what I do to help my skin prosper. Me going through a phase of so much acne on my face really taught me a lot, like, on how to take care of my skin. Before, I did not really have a skincare. I used to just stick to like a face wash every day. That's it. Like, every night, every day, I'll wash my face with a face wash. That's it. That wasn't doing it for me anymore. So I had to come up with a solution, and I came up with one. So the first thing you want to do, I just got out of the shower, so I already washed my face. I'm going to show y'all what I washed my face with. Washed my face with this. It has vitamin C, as you can see right now, collagen. Lifesaver, because the face washes that I was using before, my skin was breaking out. Like, it just wasn't doing it for me. So it looks like this. It's wet, of course, because I just used it, but this is what it looks like. Honestly, when you wash your face with it, only do it like once or twice in the shower, because if you do it more than 2 times, I notice like your skin gets irritated. So only use it 2 times, or just use it once. Once is fine. Wow, I'm dropping stuff. Then I'm gonna dermaplane my face. So this is what I use to dermaplane my face. I use aloe vera. I keep going like this. I need to be looking like this. Okay, this is aloe vera. We want to get rid of the peach fuzz. So the peach fuzz is hair that grows on your face. It's perfectly normal. Everybody grows peach fuzz on your face. The good thing about it, when you dermaplane it, which you like shave it off basically, it doesn't grow back rough. It's at all. It just grows back the same way. Like, you can, it's really hair on your skin that you can barely see. So this is very much needed if you want glass skin, smoother skin, a brighter complexion. And when you do your skincare, it absorbs it better. I'm Hispanic, so sometimes I don't know how to pronounce the word, sorry. And basically, like, when you do your makeup, it just looks way better. It just gives it a better look. It makes it look more even, you know. So it looks like this. Comes with a spatula. Okay. I'm really gonna spread and dig in it with my hands, because this is way better. Okay, so we're going to, I start from, it really doesn't matter where you start, but also, what I noticed, it gets rid of your dark spots way quicker. It really does. Look, I'm gonna show you guys what I had on this face. Also, it prevents breakouts as well. I can't wait to do my skincare now. It's gonna look so good. And you guys, you know what? Hold on, let me see. And you want to know something? My skincare been looking so good. Like, my skincare been eating so good that I don't even like wearing makeup anymore. Like, I am so comfortable with my skin without makeup now that I don't even care for it anymore. Sometimes I'll do it like for special occasions, but it's rare. I just really just do my skincare and get out and leave the house just like that. Okay, now we're gonna wash this off. Let's get to it. And this is the paper towels that I use. I get it on Amazon. I recommend you to dry your face with the paper towel because, you know, because your towel contains bacteria and it's just better. So we're gonna dry the face. Every time I do my skincare, like my nose gets runny. I don't know why. Okay, so face clear, peach fuzz gone, smooth. Okay, wow. Okay, so this is what irritates me, my nose ring. I gotta get a new nose ring because this always sticks out and I just be looking crazy. Get back in there, baby. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a face sheet mask on. I'm gonna show you the ones that I use. I have plenty of options. I have so much of these. Let's see which one do I feel like wearing today. Oh, let's try the lemon one. So this is the face mask I use. I'm gonna try the lemon one today. I'm gonna put it on my face and I'm gonna leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm leaving mine for 20 minutes because, you know, the longer the better. Okay, it is 1:14 a.m. I'm really doing a video at 1 in the morning. Wow, I got all this energy at 1 in the morning. Yes, I do. Okay, so it's 1:14. We're gonna leave for 20 minutes. So we're gonna leave it until 1:34. Yeah, 1:34. Y'all, so in the meantime, let me show you guys what I've been watching. I'm gonna be watching this for the next 20 minutes. I'm watching. I got it on pause right now, but. Y'all know DDG's new show, Are You My Ball? This is episode 1. I'm just trying to like... Wow. Okay. I'm just... Now the lighting is way better. I'm just trying to like tune in and see what it's about. Because I saw Drewski's... For the Love of Drewski, I think it was called. Something like that. And it was hilarious. So I just hope this one is as funny too and entertaining. So this is what... Yeah, I'm on episode 1. In the meantime, I'm gonna... let my skin soak in this face sheet mask. Honestly, and we'll be back.
Right there.
I'm back, babies. 1:37. 3 minutes late, but you know, it's fine. So we're gonna remove this. Basura. Garbage. Basura means garbage. I'm gonna teach y'all Spanish while y'all watching my videos. We're gonna do this in the basura. Vamos a tirarle esto en la basura. Okay. So this is how it looks after I remove it. Now I'm going to wash it off my face. Again, face towel. I need to stop running through these face towels. Like, I run through it like nothing. That's why we run out of it so fast. I restock on these so much, but... Okay, time for face cream mask. This is amazing, okay? My mommy got it for me. I think it was like on one of my birthdays or for Christmas, but we're going to my skin will definitely thank me later. I just know it. Oh my god, this feels so good. Anyway, this has vitamin C and it gives your skin a glow boost. I'm gonna leave this in for 10 minutes and I will be back. Let me go finish watching this show. 1:40, I'll be back at 1:50. I made it. This time I made it back in time. 1:50. So now we're gonna wash this off and you guys are gonna see how good my skin looks after I wash this off. Okay. So this is how my skin looks after the mask. It just looks so good. Like, I'm trying to make sure I get as much light on my skin as possible so y'all can see. Okay, so my skin feels fresh. It feels smooth. No peach fuzz. Now I'm gonna do my skincare with y'all, and because I did the Dermaplane, it's gonna absorb my skincare even better. And you know, I think. Okay, so we're gonna start with the toner. You always want to start your skincare with a toner. We're gonna shake it. This is a toner that I use. I will put the product links under the description for y'all. I'm gonna put my Amazon link, which is way better, so y'all can just see everything. My toner. Honestly, I use this one, and then sometimes I use the one from Anua. But today I'm gonna use this one. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Me and Korean skincare are like this. Oh my god, my skin just feels so smooth. I'm not gonna put too much around my eyes because I'm gonna put another product around my eyes. This is eye serum that I use. Okay, so this really has helped me with the dark circles under my eyes and also the wrinkles. It really was a process, but I've definitely seen a difference since I started using it. I suffer from dark circles under my eyes super bad, you guys, really bad. For my new niacinamide, I hope I said it right. Oh my god. So this will reduce your dark spots and brighten them. Life changer. Look at that skin, you guys. I love it here. Okay, so in between, you want to fan your face for a few seconds. So really what I'm doing with my skincare is I'm doing the thinnest to thickest. Next, hydrating serum. This one that I use multiple actually. Some days I use this one, some days I use this one, and there's another one that I use, Glow Recipe. I use Glow Recipe when I'm actually going out somewhere, like, you know. It's called, yeah, it's called snail. It has the word snail in it. It's really like, I can literally see why they call it that. Because it's so like, you see, like, I don't know if you can see it. Ugh, I put too much. So my brother makes fun of me. He'd be like, oh my god, your skincare routine makes your face look so oily. Why does your face look so oily? But I like it's really, it doesn't look oily. I feel like it just looks shiny and glowy. He says oily, like, boy, he says you putting too much. Like, okay, let me be. Okay, we're gonna fan it in between. Okay, so now, lastly, this is the moisturizer that I use. 345 Relief Cream. My lip sleeping mask. This is like, I love this lip sleeping mask. Like, ever since I tried it, I fell in love with it, you guys. Oh my god. Look how good my lips look after I apply it. Smooth, hydrating, and healing while you're sleeping. So the last thing you would do is put sunscreen on, but I'm not gonna be in the sun. It's nighttime, y'all, 2 in the morning. I'm going to bed, so if it was morning time, I would apply this to my face. Sunscreen prevents you from looking super old early, and I don't want to age fast or look like I'm aging. Like, I want to stay looking as young as possible for a very long time. So this is my skincare routine for skincare reset day, but I am not done. We're gonna do one last thing together. Please make sure you do this every 3 days, but honestly I do it once a week because I be so busy. Like, once a week is fine. It's not gonna hurt. And we're gonna do it together, baby. Wait, get into this skin. Look at this skin. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're going to get the pillowcases. I don't know if I ran out of soap. Let's see. And these don't have pillowcases. These are just, but we're gonna put it into wash. Nice. Tide Downy.